Alright, here we are. And this time, ooh, weird. I want to test the BFG shotgun setup versus the, nope, versus the double barrel. Because I feel like they're pretty similar, you know? One shot, you miss, you're dead, you know? Of course, I'll be using the burst on the double barrel. Yes, stock. And I'll be using flechette on the double barrel. I know Stardust is more like birdshot, but who uses birdshot? Just a quick disclaimer, this is not like a perfect test, you know, everyone plays differently. On top of that, you see the rankings in here. There's some really high ranks, so I'm not gonna be the only tryhard in the game, you know? Oh. It's okay. I'll sneak behind him the long way. Yeah, like a sneaky little sneaker. Don't even know what I said. I said it. Don't worry, guys. I shot his toe. It's okay. Not with all my pellets, just one. Don't worry, guys. I shot him. It's okay. Don't worry. Oh, I forgot you can't shift steady. Not with the reflex save. Oh. I thought I heard someone. That was very mean of me. I should have used the melee. Someone's enjoying me using Death Shot. Or they're calling me out for it. Either one. Ooh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, stuff has gone very wrong. Hello. Okay. Wow, that is an interesting M4A1. Okay, that looks very strange. I mean, very normal, unique. Oh, I did see. Okay, never mind. Buddy beat me to it. Woo! I heard him. I see you. I tapped you. Just a little one tap, you know, to tell you I'm here. Where are we? We're on the wrong side. I do not want to be over here. It's okay. I like the run. It's good exercise. Someone is getting angry for their gun being picked up. And I must say, if you get angry at someone picking up your gun, then, you know, don't die. Best advice I have for you. Okay. This guy is going for blood, I don't know. Whoop, nope. I hear you. Nope. It's okay. Nope. Oh! It's just an M60, don't worry. He's going ham with that. Is that the guy with the M60? I sure hope so. Oh, it was. Okay. Whew. Don't worry, I'm not gonna pick up his gun. I don't wanna make people dislike me more than I already do. Wow, he could not figure me out. Perfect. Oh. Oh, hello. Dead. good, it's good. M67, no. That is, but it's good, it's good. It's nice. It's cute. Oh, I hear it. Oh, okay. You know, the best thing about Stardust is just hearing all the hit markers. Just when you hit someone, you hear like 16 hit markers. It's just such a lovely sound. I cannot find this guy. Okay. Don't worry, teammate, I saved you. Man, there are many M60s. Don't worry, I got this. I reloaded. I wasn't quick enough. Oh, guys, don't get mad at me. Oh, I got destroyed. Oh, they're getting mad at me in chat for using guns that I enjoy playing with. That's okay. I'm fine with that. If you get angry that other people use guns that they enjoy, that's okay. Ouch. Oh, don't we all wish all guns were free? Oh, I see. Uh-oh, and that guy sees me. This is not good. Okay. This is BFG for range. I hit him with one pellet. It's very good. I stalled him. Oh? Okay, I didn't even see him. Sheesh. Chad is getting very serious. Okay. I don't know what happened to him, but he just vanished. I do hear someone. You go that way, I'll go this way. There's a window. Oh, hello. I was not expecting you. Oh, thank goodness. I thought that would be me. I can't handle another kick. Why are they kicking him? Oh, he kicked himself. Never mind. Or did he? I don't know. I hear shots and I feel it. I have no clue where they're coming from. I am sorry, teammate. I was very slow to react there and could not save you. But that's okay, because I avenged you. Oh no, he destroyed my cheeks. Oh, and he's using the Animu sight. Ooh. Nope, can't spawn on you. Can't spawn on you either. I can spawn on you, but you are all the way back here. Was that Tesla? I hear person. Oh, that person. I miss person. Oh, hello. I didn't miss him that time. Why is that on fire? That seems dangerous. Seems very, very dangerous. There's some action going on over there. Oh, hello! Okay. I think... Here... Oh, they're on the house. How do you get on the house? Okay. I moved the ladder a little. Hello, don't mind me. Just killing. Just, you know. Man, that spaz guy is not gonna kill him. At least I shot his toes. That is not a spaz. That's an M107. I do not know my gun sounds. Okay, thought I died there. Be surprised how often I die from a grenade when spawning in. Oh, hello! Woo! I thought my teammate saved me. I was very wrong. I got called in. Oh, wow, okay, I thought that grenade was coming straight for me. Oh, there's another guy. Oh, gonna hit him. Ow. Man, that guy is good with names, I suppose. Okay. What gun is that? Oh. The Mateba. It's gotten really quiet. It's probably because, you know, our team's all the way back here, their team's all the way up there. I'm about to get jumped. Oh! Oh! Nope. Hi, yeah. Can't aim. Man, he really hates me. He ignored everyone else just to shoot my, dead body. Oh, hello. Okay, this teammate. Wow, you guys really don't like BFG, SFG, and 60. Come on, those are like the most enjoyable guns. Any gun's enjoyable as long as you enjoy it. Right. Oh, there you are. Ooh. Ooh! That was close! Got him. I like the little twirls, I do. Oh, I thought there was gonna be a guy right there. Wasn't I wrong? Nope. Hi! I need assistance. Man, he does not like me. Ooh, BFG without a chainsaw grip. Hmm. 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 Ooh. Wait. There. Wait, there's no grips or secondaries. Oops. Sprint with the. Okay, I hit him. I zoomed in and saw nothing and still shot, and I hit him. That's okay. Okay. Worked. You'd think chainsaw grips would be pretty awesome for shotguns, but if you can't tighten the spread by zooming in, you can't really. I got him. Okay. Ugh. What? I didn't think I'd kill him. I mean, I can imagine hitting someone like this, but not killing them. Ooh, that was tasty. All those. Ouch. He's using a normal Samurai 7. Oh, okay. Can I spawn? Thank you. Thank you very much. Oh! I thought you were higher than you really were. I can't aim. So why would I make it harder on myself by putting a chainsaw grip? I don't know. I hear people. Oh, okay. Yeah, I have not been able to kill that guy at all. He has become my kryptonite completely. I hear people, don't know where they are. Wait, guys. Guys, there is another. No clue where they are, but there is another. You know what? Oh, hello. You know, people. Okay. Ouch. Alright, well, that was the BFG and SFG shotgun. That was enjoyable, so we will find out if that is better than the double barrel and sawed off. You know? So, yeah, that's it for this one, and I'll do the next one.